Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we would be learning about the beta distribution. We have two kinds of beta distribution and we basically call them beta distribution of the first kind and beta distribution of the second kind. Now, starting with beta distribution of the first kind, a random variable x is said to have beta distribution of first kind with parameters let me write parameters properly. So with parameters mu and v, where mu greater than 0 and v greater than 0, if its PDF is given by fx is equal to 1 by beta mu comma v x to the power mu minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power v minus 1, where mu and v are greater than 0 as already specified and 0 less than x less than 1 and 0 otherwise. It is generally referred to as a beta 1 mu comma v variate. The cumulative distribution function which is often called the incomplete beta function is given as fx is equal to 0 for x less than 0 integration 1 by beta mu comma v u to the power mu minus 1 minus u to the power v minus 1 du, and integration goes from 0 to x and 1 for x greater than 1. And say if we take mu is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1, then we get the PDF fx is equal to 1 by beta 1 comma 1, which is equal to 1, which is the PDF of a uniform distribution on 0 comma 1. So x follows uniform 0 comma 1. And one more result is that, let me do it with a different color, is if x follows beta 1 mu comma v, then 1 minus x follows beta 1 v comma mu. Next, moving to the beta distribution of the second kind, a random variable x is said to have a beta distribution of second kind with parameters mu and v, where mu greater than 0 and v greater than 0 if its PDF is given by fx is equal to 1 by beta mu comma v x to the power mu minus 1 by 1 plus x to the power mu plus v, where mu and v both are greater than 0 as was already specified, and x greater than 0 and less than infinity, where this is the PDF. Now beta distribution of the second kind. Now one more result which links both first and second kind. So beta distribution of the second kind is transformed to beta distribution of the first kind by the transformation 1 plus x is equal to 1 by y. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned to our channel Saurav Sir's classes for further videos on statistical concepts.